Today's video is going to be tuning redemption. All the stuff I've learned over the past year with the LYNK and HPP, well, you're going to see it in this video. So this is the video you're going to want to watch. But you want to keep watching all the other videos as I learn these things. Just a quick update on the beast. The 456 gear swaps working flawlessly. One thing you guys want to do when you do the gear swap is run a diagnostic tool. I know I flashed the ECU, but that wasn't enough. It still had some of the parameters saved in there. Somehow, some way. I talked to HPP, they were like, nah, it shouldn't have that, but, and Mikey G, who I ordered my tuner through, and apparently it does still save some of the parameters, because since we reset it, it cleared all the codes with the snap-on diagnostic tool. Absolutely no issues whatsoever. Went through the relearn process. Thing is shifting like a dream, like a beast, like it's supposed to be. But I'm out here with Anthony now. Enough about the beast. We're doing an LYNK installation on his Ram 2500, and he just got this awesome package from HPP, and we're also going to be installing the shift on the fly.
Oh yeah.
So that's your shift on the fly switch.
There it is, the LYNK.
Black box.
Yeah.
There's where all the magic happens, right there.
Beautiful.
You should have data link cable out. Yep.
Perfect.
Are you pumped?
Oh, I can't wait.
You're gonna have 5 tunes to choose from after this install.
This is gonna be great.
All right, guys. So we're installing this in no particular order. We're just gonna install it the best way I see fit for what we got going on here. So I'm gonna flip this over. I got some industrial strength Velcro. We're gonna mount this on the inside underneath the steering wheel. The nice beast of Velcro right there in the middle. We're gonna plug this wire into the Ethernet port. Then we're gonna mount the LYNK, the magic box. That's right where we're gonna go with it. That might be the best spot right there. This plugs into your OBD2 port. I'm not making a little hole for this notch. I'm just gonna cut this off like that. And it's gonna live flush behind this little cowl that we have off right now. Yeah, this is where we end up going with. And then you'll notice that there's a little lock. You're gonna turn the switch all the way to the left, which we're at. And inside here, there's numbers 1 through 11. You wanna put this little notch right here on this washer in between 5 and 6. That's tune 1, tune 2, tune 3, tune 4, tune 5. So that's where you wanna be, guys. All right, so this is how we have it mounted. It was a feat to get that little lock in place, to get it mounted in there.
Perfect.
So it's all done. It's ran through the firewall. Yep, we used painter's tape for it because, well, I don't know where my electrical tape went. So I'm gonna put the plug together, and this is gonna plug into the crankcase pressure sensor. And do is just plug in the OBD2 port. It's all plugged up.
Come on.
Get it, girl. Good.
Yep.
And there's a little Allen screw underneath there. It's good to go. These are the wires that we fished through the firewall for the shift on the fly switch. I'm gonna take my awesome painter's tape off of them. Black wire, red wire, and a white wire. And on this plug, you'll notice that it's marked red and black. Well, naturally, white's gonna go in the other slot. So I'm gonna stick the white wire in first. See, there's nothing there. Stick it into the rubber insulation. You should feel it click. Yep. And it'll lock into place. Then we're gonna go with our black wire. Same deal. And I'll lock into place. Should fish these wires through here first. That sucks. That's me being rushed. Oh, well, it'll still work.
Be alright.
As you can see, we got red with red, black with black, and then whites. There's nothing marked there, but through process elimination. There you go. We're gonna loom this up. It came with some wire loom to protect this wire inside the engine bay. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. You guys don't need to see that. And we'll knock that out. Okay, while Anthony's wrapping up the loom, right there, if you can see it right there, is the crank pressure sensor. So we're gonna remove that. There's a red sliding lock. You wanna slide that to the back, and then on top of it, you're gonna press the button. You're gonna it's gonna pop it. So there it goes. So right there, we're unplugging that, and then we're gonna plug this in its place. Shift on the fly switch. We'll get some wire ties. We're plugging this into the harness, like so. And then you're gonna lock it with that slider lock right there. So there we are. We are connected. Then we'll just zip tie that up. We're gonna connect the data cable to the auto agent and plug this into the diagnostic port, which is in the engine compartment. Some people actually run this through the firewall and keep it plugged in all the time. I don't. Plug it right into this USB plug, which is going into your auto agent. And we'll just throw this over top of here. And you're gonna have to do this every time you flash your ECU with a new tune. And the diagnostic plug is located pretty much right underneath your intake port, and it's probably really hot in here because Anthony was driving his truck all day. Anthony downloaded the app, set up his account through EasyLink, and he's getting ready to load his first tune. So that's your truck. Everything's confirmed, so hit continue. It's stock, right?
Yeah. 35.
Your tire, you have 35-inch tires?
I believe it.
I don't think they're 33s, buddy.
Are they?
Yeah.
You're the one I sold them to.
I know.
They 33s?
They're 33s, buddy. They're the stock tires.
Oh, all right.
If you have anything modified on your truck, you're going to put it in there. All right, you want to do the update. He's got a diagnostic code update. He's going to do that real quick. All right, put it to run. All right, now the little squiggly lines on your left side, click that. Go to vehicle, vehicle. Go to ECU profiles. And there's all your tunes. So your first one is going to be shift on the fly with transmission tuning, low boost fueling. I'm running that now, it's not a bad tune. You might want to, for starters, start with the one underneath of it.
Which one?
The second one from the
This
top.
one?
Yep. So you're just going to hit that, okay? And you're going to hit the cloud, download it. Pretty simple, dude.
I like it. I like it.
What's really cool, all right, you hit the install. It's asking if you have the diagnostic plug plugged in, the one that's never been touched on your truck. And it is. We're all connected. Now transferring the data. You don't want to start it. There you go.
Easy as that.
It's very easy, dude. And if you have any issues, you can send HPP a message and they'll respond to you probably within 30 minutes.
I like it.
Sometimes on holidays. These guys are pretty cool. What do you think so far? Pretty easy process.
Love it.
And then when you get a tune revision or a tune update, you'll get an email and they'll send it through the EasyLink to notify you that you have a new tune available.
Easy as that.
Easy as that. You're just going to repeat the process.
That's it.
Everything we just did. One thing to keep in mind, guys, before we started loading the new tune, Anthony did connect it to the truck's Wi-Fi, which is through the EasyLink. So it was connected. We didn't show you that process. It's pretty simple. You just go into your settings on your phone, go to Wi-Fi, find the EasyLink, which has no internet connection. You're going to connect your phone to that. You can't be connected to your house Wi-Fi when you're doing this. You got to be connected to your phone's data plan. Yeah.
We're 16%.
Oh,
Making progress.
So with the shift on the fly, the first tune's 30 horsepower, second tune is 60 horsepower, which is for towing. Third tune is 100 horsepower, and the fourth tune is 130 horsepower. That's performance. And then you got the max effort tune, which is 180 horsepower. Tune number 5. They're all right there with that switch.
Right there.
Guys are looking to get the EZ-Link and tunes from Higher Power Performance, hit up my boy Mikey Garofalo. I'll have his information in the description below. He's the guy I ordered mine through, and if you have any questions, he's always there for you. Trust me, I've called him numerous times if you hit him up. How many times has Smitty hit me up? Numerous. All the time. I'm always sending him messages. So he's been very, very helpful.
46%.
It's going down.
Getting there. Place ignition in the off position. On position. Installation was completed successfully.
It's time.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Beautiful.
Start it up. Fingers crossed.
Oh. She sounds good.
You're going to see a huge difference.
Beautiful. Dashboard. We got our gauges back. They going to turn for me?
You have it locked.
There we go.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, look at that.
And you can adjust those gauges. Click that. You can switch it to whatever you want.
Oh, nice.
And all those gauges too. You just hit that.
Beautiful.
So, I suggest you run in tune 3. That'll be a good tune for you. Make sure you do the transmission relearn for at least 30 to 50 miles.
Less than 30% throttle.
Yep. All right, shut it down so I don't burn myself. And we're just going to remove the diagnostic cable that plugs into the auto agent that we plugged into the USB port. So we're just going to remove that, and he's done. He's all set. Simple as that. Very easy to get tunes in the future as well.
Beautiful. I just want to say thanks to Random Beast Project. We set.
You got to call me and let me know what you think.
Sounds good.
All right, buddy.
We're set. All right.
As you can see, we're in our comfy clothes now. We're gearing down for the evening. I didn't film the outro with Anthony.
At the late time of 7 p.m. Right, Maisie? Because we go to bed early.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up anyway.
Yes, right.
Hopefully it was better than the first initial, of course, the
Ooh, we popular.
Hopefully this is better than the first initial EZ-Link install video that I did probably about a year ago. This one was in focus, hopefully. I didn't review the footage yet, but hopefully it was. Hopefully you found it informative. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you're stopping by for the first time, smash that subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the next upload. And there's always going to be a next upload. We're going to continue uploading every week, sometimes twice a week. But love you guys.